Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on KuCoin. First, you'll need to set up and verify your account. This usually involves providing an email or phone number and creating a strong password. For increased transaction limits and enhanced security, complete the identity verification process. This step is crucial for a smooth buying experience and unlocks more features on the platform. Once your account is ready, you'll need to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars, using methods such as bank transfers or credit/debit cards. Alternatively, if you already own cryptocurrency, you can transfer it directly from another wallet. KuCoin also offers peer-to-peer trading, allowing you to buy crypto directly from other users. With funds in your account, you're ready to place a buy order. Head to the Buy Crypto section and select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to spend or the quantity of crypto you want to acquire. You can choose a market order for instant execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication on your account. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Remember to thoroughly research any cryptocurrency before investing, understanding its risks and potential. For a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Trade wisely and stay informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.